Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tyndanius Maths and Science Tutorials. I'm very happy to see you once again. We are treating complex numbers. We are still under the topic complex numbers into details. If you are new here, kindly share, comment, like and subscribe for more interesting videos and updates. Okay, in today's session we are going to consider, this time around you'll be given complex numbers in polar form and you'll be told to convert or transform them into rectangular or Cartesian form. How do you go about it? For example, write the complex number in the rectangular form. The complex number z equals 80 multiplying cos 90 plus I sine 90. This is very trivial. So we have z equals, for questions like this, converting from polar to rectangular, just multiply this by that and this. So this multiplies this and multiplies with that. As simple as that. So I have 80, then cos 90. Cos 90 is what? Is 0. Then plus I for sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Z is equal to 80. Then I have 0 plus I. So I have z is equal to 80 by 0 is what? Is 0, then plus what? 80 I. So therefore z is equal to 80 I. As simple as that. Let's consider the second question. You have z equals 10 times cos 30 plus I sin 30. To convert this into the rectangular form, we said 10 multiplies this and multiplies what? Multiply the whole of that, okay? You have 10 cos 30 gives root 3 on 2. Then plus I sin 30 gives half. So I have 1 over 2. So z is equal to, I have 10, then I have root 3 on 2 plus half I. So 2 divides 10. Okay, let me do it this way. Over 2 over here. For want of space, let me come here. So I have this. Z is equal to, I have 10. So we have root 3 on 2 plus half I. So this is the same as z is equal to 10 times root 3 over 2 plus, then this 10 will multiply this. I have 10 times half, then I. So I have z to be equal to 2 divides here 5. 2 divides here 5. So I have 5 times root 3 gives what? 5 root 3. Then plus 5 times 1 times I gives what? Gives 5I. This is in the rectangular or the Cartesian form. Viewers, this is the end of the lesson. Try and subscribe, share, like and comment for more interesting videos. See you next time. Bye.